HubSpot serves customers that are sales-focused online marketers of business-to-business and business-to-consumer goods and services. They are probably a lot like you, everyday business people who need a better way to manage sales leads. So HubSpot sells a suite of software tools that helps you do that, manage your leads better. But as a way to create sales leads for itself, HubSpot offers various toolboxes that solve common everyday problems. And I talk about that extensively in the book and how powerful that is. So think of these toolboxes that HubSpot has as easy to use educational utilities that can actually become quite addictive for people, customers. It's all about how HubSpot designs these tools to empower customers with knowledge that, practical information that they can use to grow their business right away. So, as an example, HubSpot's free website grader tool at grader.com. I love this thing. It allows business owners to instantly understand how well their website stacks up against others, like your competitors. So the grader passes critical judgment on criteria like how many inbound links are coming into the site, or how many of the site's pages Google has decided to index and include in its index. But HubSpot's tool also scores qualitative website aspects too. So it gives valuable, actionable feedback to website owners on things like readability level. It scores the website's content in terms of its ability to effectively communicate messages to target markets. So it does all kinds of technical and non-technical stuff and gives feedback. Now the best part of all is that the grader's scores, what it gives back to the user, are designed to induce more questions and expressions of need from the user. Now, I'm going to say that one more time because it is so important. The grader's scores, what it gives you back, are actually designed to induce more questions and expressions of need from the user. Again, I talk about this extensively in the book, but what I'm saying is that it is designed to help customers self-select themselves as business leads for HubSpot's software product. So as an example, the website grader may find no means to generate leads on the prospect's website. It actually looks for that, which is brilliant, again. And that's not a good situation to not have a lead collection form on your website. So if you think about it, the next question that a user will likely ask is, well, what would it take to fix that? So HubSpot wisely stands ready with an easy-to-see call to action right there. After the grade, it tells you right there. And there's a call to action promoting a free trial of their software. Brilliant. But let's say that the website grader does find a web form collecting lead data on the prospect's website. Well, in that case, HubSpot's not done yet. The obvious question becomes, is there a way to improve my website's form and make it collect more qualified leads more often? That's right, you guessed it. HubSpot is standing ready again with a call to action for its product that solves that problem. Answers spawned by HubSpot's tool are always designed to elicit more questions from users. Questions that can be answered by the company's products every time, without exception. But here's where it gets really good, as if it wasn't good at that point, right? Maybe the prospect is not ready to buy or take even a free test drive of HubSpot's paid software solution. No problem. The company offers more free educational options, including Inbound Marketing University, or IMU. You may have heard of this. It's very popular. Prospects and even customers, their burning questions can almost always and certainly be answered by HubSpot's full-blown online marketing educational resource. And that's right, you guessed it. IMU serves as a lead generation program for HubSpot too. Now, the IMU is just another means to continually prompt and capture expressions of need from customers. It's a hook. There's bait with a hook attached to it. So now, not all users of HubSpot's free tools find themselves immediately ready for one of their software products. That's just the way life is. But most are needing what the company's free IMU is offering, and because it's diverse, it's very wide. And that is why HubSpot offers this no-cost, IMU is free, this no-cost way to improve its prospects' web marketing skills. Email, social media, all kinds of stuff, widely. So, okay, what did we just learn here in this story? In essence, HubSpot is proving out the 3 success principles that I discuss in the book. And as a result, the company is publishing an extensive array, and I mean that's extensive, for sure. We all can't do this, but it's an extensive array of free, useful, web-based tools and generating leads for itself at the same time. So, like the other success stories that I profile in the book that are not quite as extensive, still, everything HubSpot does, just like the other folks, are, everything they do online and on social media elicits behavior from prospects. And they do this by focusing on one big idea that I keep talking about again in the book, solving customers' problems in ways that allow customers and prospects to ultimately kind of navigate their way toward the products and services that they really do need, your products and services. So that is the key to selling with social media. So by publishing free tools and solving customers' problems, HubSpot and your company can constantly, solicit, store, and occasionally act on various expressions of customers' needs. This is a process. This isn't willy-nilly, for sure. It's a process. And HubSpot isn't just giving away help, to engage and be nice and be a good corporate citizen. No, they're not telling stories on their blog or trying to get laughs from customers, on YouTube and Facebook. I mean, everything they're doing is aimed at increasing sales, and you can do the same.